Today, the US dollar finds support from comments by the US Treasury Secretary. Steven Mnuchin confirmed that the Washington and Beijing would resume the trade talks in October. Nevertheless, the market sentiment is daunted by concerns about a slowdown in the global economy. Yesterday, the euro-dollar pair went into a nosedive in light of dismal PMIs from Germany. The euro shed 0.2% following the news that recession in Germany's manufacturing sector deepened unexpectedly in September. Besides, business activity in the services sector fell worse than expected. Such gloomy data stoked fears about the prolonged weakness in the eurozone's economy. Today, the euro is trading at near 1.0992 versus the US dollar, close to the lowest level in 28 months. Meanwhile, traders halted selling the euro amid the survey from the IFO Institute. Experts reported that a business climate index for Germany rose more than expected to 94.6 in August. Nevertheless, even such improvement in business confidence is viewed by investors as negative because the index remains not far from a 7-year low. The pound sterling is trading at about 1.2435 versus the greenback. That is almost a 1-week low. The sterling is trading lower until the British Supreme Court rules on whether Prime Minister Boris Johnson's suspension of Parliament was unlawful a few weeks before the Brexit deadline. The court ruled that the controversial 5-week Parliament suspension had breached the law. Interestingly, Boris Johnson took this decision with the consent of the Queen, and such developments thrust the British politics into deeper turmoil, which could entail resignation of the Prime Minister. However, the lawmakers neglected this scenario because at present Brexit is given the highest priority. In this context, the sterling regained footing. Amid the empty economic calendar, investors are monitoring trade and political news, which is the key to market sentiment. You are watching Market News on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals.